First thing you want to do is make a little pocket inside the honorable. The honorable chicken. Boneless chicken. See that there? Now what I'm going to do there, I'm going to go back a little further just to give it a little space and room. See, we got the pocket in there. Come a little closer so I can get that right there. So as you can see, we already got the honorable chicken breast wide open. We got it ready for the honorable spinach, cream cheese, and other ingredients that I have mixed. Y'all always trying to steal a recipe. Y'all don't have to pay for that. But you can come up with your own recipe. And I suggest individuals do that. So what I'm going to begin to do is I'm going to take this honorable spoon. But before I do that, because I'm moving too fast, let me go ahead and hit it with the seasoning. But first I got to hit it with the avocado oil. Massage it correctly. You don't want to carry it no other way. You got to massage it, because if you don't massage it, the oil not going to get in there and things ain't going to go correctly. Boom. Now I'm going to put the honorable garlic pepper. But before I put the garlic powder, I said garlic pepper, I'm going to put the honorable salt all over. So what did I do first, guys? I cut it open, made the little pocket. Now I'm putting the kosher salt. Then I put the avocado. Now I'm putting the kosher salt all over it, right? I'm going to put the garlic powder all in the mix. After you put the garlic powder on there and the honorable kosher salt, you want to make sure you put your paprika on there. It's important you put your paprika on there. In this order too, young men and women, older men and women, because at the end of the day, you don't want to make no mistakes with the seasoning. Now massage them gently. Males, if you're a male, if you're a man out there, massage them like they're Brill Zest. Rub them very soft, right? Make sure that paprika, that honorable kosher salt, all of that is all over it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to begin to stuff it. Give it a little honorable mix to the spinach, the cheese, and the cream cheese, and we're going to do this. Because all we're about to do with these bad boys is sear them up. Once we sear them up, we're going to let them sit in the pot for a little bit. We got lamb too. We got a lot of different things we got going on tonight. That's going to be the next episode. I want y'all to make sure y'all tap all way ills in. Honorable searing starts now. That's what you call an honorable sizzle. Yeah, these different, and guess what? I don't know what toothpaste. One thing I learned about that spinach is an honorable understanding that it's going to come together. So we're going to work it out. Y'all going to be surprised when y'all see the end of the prize. incision, as you will call it. Damn near like a classic C-section, man. That's what you get these. The honorable classic C-section. I know a lot of women give understanding to that, like a classic C-section. What is this guy talking about? Yeah, you give the honorable chicken breast classic C-section, and then you stuff it with the spinach, the cream cheese, the sour cream, and all that. Paprika, you know what I'm saying? And don't be afraid to hit it a little bit. It's your friend. Type of pot like this, the surroundings, like that 3.14 circumference surroundings, that pie. You know, that comfort, that circumference that's around here, it gives it an understanding of a steam that don't allow it to burn too fast. We're gonna do something different. Smother them. With the honorable, and I mean the honorable spinach, cream cheese, and other honorable ingredients that I will not give these people unless they're paying for my honorable recipe. I mean, what I'm giving, I think, is honor, because at the end of the day, if you think about it, this should be paid for. This ain't no recipe that you just give. This is honorable recipes that goes with a family that can use this for the rest of their lives. I'm gonna throw some more garlic powder on top of it. We're gonna let it go ahead and get the honorable gravy at the end. We're not gonna put it on now. Look at this honorable gravy. We're not gonna put it on now. It's coming. It's steaming. Throw the pot all the way on.